It's the magic of math here, and today we're going to find the volume of a figure using sugar cubes. Here's our question today. We know that a figure is made out of sugar cubes with no gaps or overlaps as shown. Here is our figure. We're asked what is the total volume in sugar cubes of the figure, and we're given 4 answer choices to pick from. Here's where I'd like you to pause the video, do your best work, and then come back to see mine. Good luck. Welcome back. So we're finding the total volume in sugar cubes of this figure. So I can see when I'm looking at this that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 unit cubes or sugar cubes that are faced here, right? So I see that we have 4 rows that go back. 1, 2, 3, 4. And each one of them is the same pattern, has these 7. So I can see 7 here, 7 here, 7 here in the third, and that last row, that 4th row, also has 7. So I could say that there's 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 4 times for the total figure. When I add this together, 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 7 is 21, plus 7 is 28. So I can say that there are 28 sugar cubes. Another way to look at this is I know I have 4 different columns, or it goes deep, 4 rows, however you want to look at it. 4 times 7 in each one of those, and 4 times 7 is 28. So I know that 1 cube represents 1 sugar cube, so I can say that there are a total of 28 sugar cubes in this figure. And that is how we find volume using unit cubes. In this case, it was a sugar cube. Thanks for joining me today at The Magic of Math, where we master math one video at a time. I hope you have a great day and that you'll come back soon.